Tell us rhythm, continue please.
What is this Jola and all I'm handling?
Jola, what is this
Stuff for
Jola?
inside.
Get a car so that we can keep all the things inside and we don't have to keep it on active or
Maybe
on
for my
that.
editing stuff, I would have only paid 2 or 3 EMIs for
Only
my
if you could have do the editing much better and I could have already. I'll wait for the bell to stop. Usually what I do is I switch on my camera and start talking, and I start talking for us, and then Rhythm edits it and put it in the vlog. And when I rewatch the vlog, I'm like, what was I thinking? I just like didn't comb my hair, didn't wash my face properly, and just switched on the camera. Supposed to do that now and then shoot, but I'm like, fuck it, let's just sit and talk. For the past 2 years, we've been going to the north, so the packaging is totally different. And now I'm going to Goa after 3 years, I feel. 3 exactly, 3. 2017 was the year, 3 years. So now the packaging is totally different. Like we need to bring beach wear, oh my god. I've got butt acne. So I need to like fix that acne. But it's not going to get fixed in the next 20 days. Why does butt acne exist actually? Why? I was researching it about yesterday. But you all know, like I watched 3 videos, I didn't listen to them properly. Today is the day where I'll listen to them. You need to exfoliate and you need to do so much stuff. So much effort, like even for skin care, for hair care, for everything. Like even for running, you need to stretch your legs. You can directly not go for running, and then for cycling also you need to stretch, but I don't stretch. And then I pain that my legs are paining because I don't stretch. I just don't like putting efforts when it comes to things. I just like talking, you know. I love talking. Vlogging is like the best thing happened to me. Just switch on. My friends told me to meet around 3 o'clock. It's 12. What am I supposed to do for 3 hours? They don't understand. They plan stuff. Why can't my friends be like, let's meet in the next hour. Let's meet right now. Still they meet me, so it's okay. They handle my crankiness and my ADHD-ness. I always tell them, why don't we make plans in the morning? Like, come on, let's do it. But they'll be like, no, let's plan the day out. Let's meet around 3 and then we can go out for dinner. I already snapped them saying that, what am I supposed to do for the next 3 hours? So this is what I do in between period. Switch on and talk. It's already 5 minutes. Wow. Oh my god, guys, look who have accessorized herself today. I don't even know if that's a sentence. Yeah, just don't get used to this look. I don't know why I felt like dressing up today. Yeah, once in a blue moon. Oh my god. See, I do look good. Oh my god. Self-obsessing. Oh myself. I would love to date my own version, but that's not possible. We won't have a good time if I have a same person like me who looks so hot and so self-obsessed. Is it done? Yeah. Is it? Oh, my eyes went up like this. I think it looks good. Aesthetic. Not bad, not bad. And the accessories are not mine. Obviously, it's Karishma's. Miss India Award! I am winning it. Thanks to all my OnlyFans who've subscribed to my channel, I can say. Because of their donation, I'm today Miss Universe. And to all my... okay, there are kids around. I just can't talk more about TDs and everything, right, Karishma?
Yeah.
Now look at me.
Oh, nice you look. Oh, I can see chain and also much put dress.
Earring.
I can see the earring.
Can you see the bracelet, Kallu?
What is wrong with you?
What is wrong with me, guys? I'm a new girl today. Nita! We have traveled all the way till Bandra. Nida, my god. Oh my god. Let's not talk about weight here. What complex I'm giving? I have not, what do you mean, intentionally lost all my weight.
You have IBS and you...
Thanks for reminding I have IBS, Nida.
People who have IBS, they lose weight like anything. And
No,
second,
it's
you
not just
run
IBS.
A lot, you run a lot, you gym a lot.
Let's just go home, not eat outside.
Shut up.
What do you mean by shut up? Let's go home. I'm telling you, it's okay, Tullu. It's Sunday.
Shut your mouth, I'm hungry.
Is there some point where you start hating food?
No.
Because it happens with me. The more I love food, the more I hate it also when I have to decide something. I didn't recognize myself when I saw in the camera. Who are these? Who is this hairstyle? Tula, how much would you rate my look today? On a girl rating on every day how I dress up.
7 on 10.
And yesterday?
9 on 10.
Ooh, oh my god. And usually when I wear black and don't think about anything.
Double you look pretty. But you act like some hooligan only. So.
Is this a roast session? The vlog should name as roast session of. You know
When
what?
you would officially roast, it would be more.
I know. I would cry. You know that will make.
Then everything will go on your ego. Then you'll for 2 days not talk to anybody. Then you'll be like, oh my god, my ego is hurt. And
Okay, are you repeating the office roast which happened with Michael?
that was epic. I like that episode.
That was so bad. I felt for Michael.
It's okay. I liked it.
I don't want to. I don't want to do the roast with you all. Please, I'll cry in bed for 2 days. Romance by the Bay. Oh my god, Tullu. Where's the romance? You wanted to have romance with me. That's the reason you brought me here.
Such a mouth. You and romance.
I want to see your romantic side, to be very honest.
Even I don't know if I have a romance. I don't know.
Whoever the universe is sending, please come fast. I want to see Tullu with a boyfriend, but I even don't want him to take my space.
Rhythm is saying he's waiting for the guy because he wants to see you fight with him.
I am going to fight with Tullu also because she's going to let her boyfriend have the physical attention and not with me.
Yeah, what do you mean physical attention? You're just jealous that I would hug somebody and not you.
That is also obviously going to happen. I'm going to get jealous. Rhythm, please share your experience. How was your LASIK surgery?
I was shit scared before the surgery that
Look
what
in the
if
camera and
something
then
happens?
talk. Eye contact. I need
What
eye
if-
contact
What
here.
if something happens, something goes wrong?
Because
and
Da kept saying Final Destination.
yeah, right 2 or 3 days before my surgery, Da keeps talking about the Final Destination scene, and she tries to make me shit my pants, but she forget I'm already shitting my pants a lot.
I would have never worn such
See,
bright.
okay, you need to see to understand why people are so obsessed with it.
Tullu is the one who's not seen SpongeBob with me.
Shut up. You don't need to like get over in your army, okay? Just because you are the one to get FOMO.
I don't mind, I don't get FOMO.
You don't get.
Even I don't get FOMO.
बोला मंडी.
That is Tullu. You would never wear such bright yellow. Look at Tullu.
I mean, my pants are the same color.
Oh,
can't really
who am I
comment
talking to?
God, look at
But I don't know.
Look at the fuck boy there.
What did you say?
Look at you. Look at you, right?
What did
It
you
is
say?
Tullu's house. It is Tullu's house. Comment down below if you think Rhythm looks like a fuckboy right now. With a football. Pass. Tullu, please show a new toy to us.
Hello?
And the sex toy which you have. It look. Oh, sorry.
नहीं टुल्लू के.
Can you stop?
I mean, sorry, the
Don't
reversible.
ruin the cuteness which he has, please.
Okay. Listen.
I'll tell you what happened. I asked a girl out and she said yes.
For the date. He genuinely asked her out. You want to see how he asked? You want to see? Show him. Rhythm, look. पढ़ लेगा. वो पढ़ लेगा. Look, did you read the text? Your brother is officially going on a date. Can you digest it?
Something about you, oh.